Hey Queens, it's Ashley checking back in with another video. Welcome back to Crown of Beauty, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to color your hair gray. No, but really, I'm going to be showing you guys this bentonite clay mask that changed my hair life, okay? Stay tuned. Now for this specific DIY mask, you definitely want to use plasticware, glassware, or wooden objects to mix these ingredients in. This is the Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, or otherwise known as bentonite clay, where you can find at your local beauty supply store or herb store. Now you want to mix this with some apple cider vinegar, and I've also got here some measuring cups. I'm going to do 1 cup of the bentonite clay, and I'm going to do a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar starting out. And you'll see, because of the properties of both, that it starts fizzing up, and you're just going to stir that up until you get a yogurt-like consistency. And it was thick when I mixed it up, so I did add a little bit more apple cider vinegar, and I did dilute it with water a little bit. So you'll see that here. So I'm starting off on my dry, dirty hair, and what I'm doing is taking a section in the back, and I'm going to saturate it with my water bottle into that section. And then I'm just going to start applying the product over the entire section of hair, and it's fine for it to get at the roots and also down the hair shaft. Now, it's not easy to detangle with this product, and as a matter of fact, you should not attempt to detangle with this product, but you just want to make sure that it is all over your hair strands, and I'm just simply breaking it apart to kind of make sure that it's on every strand. So you're going to work your way all the way around your head, and it is going to get messy. As you can see, I've already got it all over my shirts, but I tried to be as swift as possible. Now, it did feel a bit drying on the hair, but that means that it's working. And feel free to add any oils or essential oils to the mixture as well, just to give you a bit more slip. But that is why the water is helpful to apply on your hair before applying the mask. And you want to put generous amounts on the hair. Don't be scared of it. I actually had a lot left over after I was done, and you'll see that in a minute. Now, this bentonite clay mask contains minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium, things like that that are really essential for hair growth. And it really just helps to remove the dead skin cells. So that's why it's helpful to apply it to your scalp, and it helps to cleanse your hair follicles. And I feel that it's like a magnet. It's really just gathering all that product buildup, and that's why you don't have to wash your hair first before using the product. As you can see, it was super easy to make, and probably with products that you already have around the house. And I've applied it to my whole head of hair now, and I've been going back in and applying more product into it because the sky is the limit. I mean, it doesn't matter how much you apply. I can already feel it working on my hair because it's getting stiffer, and that's how you know that it's working, because it's really making those curls pop. And I'm making sure to put it on my edges and directly to my scalp as well. So as you can see from this side view, I think I've pretty much covered my whole head. So all I'm doing right now is making sure that I've got my scalp and parts of my scalp that have been itching me like crazy. So I'm giving you all a close-up of the popping curls that this creates in my hair. And already after about 10 to 15 minutes at this point, the hair has started to really take to the bentonite clay. Like, it is very stiff, it is very solid like, and almost crunchy texture. But it feels like it has some weight to it. But it's pretty cool to see my hair like that. It looks like I just colored my hair gray or something like that. Now, this mask you can also use on your face as a face mask, and it'll also get rid of those skin impurities and dead skin cells on the face. Now, I have sensitive skin, so when I try to do it as a face mask, I probably won't add so much apple cider vinegar because I do have very sensitive skin. So I'll probably do another video using it as a face mask and just alter the ingredients a bit. So this is after 30 minutes. As you can see, it's really getting those curls popping, and I feel like it's really, really working. So now that I've rinsed out my hair and put a t-shirt over it, I'm already feeling like my hair feels really clean. I'm feeling like it's really soft. Now, surprisingly, it was really easy to wash out. As soon as the warm water hit it, it just started washing itself out. So I was really able to wash it out completely really fast. So as you can see, it looks like it was just shampooed and looks really clean. It has no product buildup in it whatsoever. So again, my hair feels super soft and it's ready to be styled in my next hairstyle that I'm going to do for the week. I would definitely try this product again and suggest it to you watching this video. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up at the bottom of your screen. And also, if you're not subscribed yet, please press that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye, Queens.